planning a trip to Japan in 2026 is no longer simple or spontaneous. You need to choose the right season, from sakura in late March and April to autumn colors from September to November. You need to book popular trains, hotels, and attractions early. You need to understand new visa rules, possible tax increases, and changes to tax-free shopping. From pocket Wi-Fi or eSIM to riding the Shinkansen and packing the right walking shoes, every choice matters. In this video, I'll show you how to plan a smart Japan trip for 2026, step by step, with 3 ready itineraries to help you balance iconic sites and real experiences. Japan in 2026 feels familiar, yet very different for travelers. The country is more popular than ever, and that popularity changes how you plan a Japan trip. Flights, hotels, and famous attractions now sell out months ahead, especially during cherry blossom season and autumn foliage. Traveling without a clear plan often means higher costs and fewer choices. Here is what travelers need to know. Japan travel demand is at record levels, so train seats, ryokan, and theme park tickets disappear fast. Cost may rise due to possible departure tax or visa fee increases. Some cities plan to add hotel accommodation taxes starting March 2026. From November 2026, tax-free shopping may change to a pay first, refund at the airport system. These changes do not make Japan harder to visit, but they reward travelers who prepare wisely. Plan early, but plan smart. Step 1. Pick the right season. Choosing the right season is the most important decision when planning a Japan trip in 2026. The same cities can feel calm or overwhelming depending on when you go, and the season shapes everything from prices to pace to how much you enjoy each day. For many travelers, the dream is the famous photo seasons. Sakura season, from late March to April, turns Japan into a sea of soft pink. In Tokyo, full bloom often arrives around March 26, while Kyoto and Osaka follow a few days later, near March 31. These dates are estimates, but demand is always real. Hotels, Shinkansen seats, and even small cafes fill fast. Autumn foliage, from September to November, brings cooler air and deep red and gold colors. It is just as beautiful, but just as busy, especially in Kyoto. If you want the best balance, shoulder seasons are your secret weapon. May, right after Golden Week, offers fresh greenery and calmer streets. Late September to early October is warm, pleasant, and far less crowded. You still get great weather, but with more space to breathe and explore. Some seasons are chosen for a specific feeling. Summer, from June to August, is hot and humid, but alive with festivals, fireworks, and hydrangeas. Hokkaido's lavender fields are at their best. Winter, from December to February, is quiet and often cheaper. It is perfect for onsen towns and skiing in places like Hokkaido or Nagano. One warning matters more than all others. Avoid major Japanese holidays. Golden Week runs from April 29 to May 6 in 2026. Obon falls in mid-August. New Year stretches from late December to early January. During these times, prices rise and movement slows. Choose your season wisely, and Japan will open itself to you. Step 2. Decide trip length. Deciding how long to stay in Japan shapes your entire travel experience. For most first-time visitors, 10 to 14 days is the sweet spot. This length gives you enough time to see famous cities, move at a calm pace, and still enjoy small moments without rushing. 7 days is the minimum for a Japan trip in 2026. It can work, but only if you keep your plan simple and avoid packing too much into each day. Less moving means more time to actually feel the place. If you have more than 2 weeks, the rhythm changes. Longer trips are perfect for slow travel, adding quieter regions, and letting Japan reveal its deeper side, beyond the main route. Step 3. Choose your travel style. Choosing the right travel style makes your Japan trip feel smooth instead of tiring. There are 2 main ways to travel. The first is the base and spoke style. You stay in one city and take easy day trips nearby. This reduces packing, saves energy, and helps first-time visitors feel settled. The second style is a multi-stop tour, where you move every 1 or 2 nights. This gives variety and excitement, but it also demands careful planning and faster pacing. For most first-timers, the 70-30 rule works best. Spend 70% of your time on the Golden Route, Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka. Use the remaining 30% to explore quieter towns, nature, or onsen areas. This balance keeps Japan iconic, yet personal. Step 4. Build an itinerary that works in real life. A good Japan itinerary is not about how many places you list. It is about whether the plan works in real life. One simple method changes everything. Use Google Maps and pin every place you want to visit. When all locations are on the map, patterns appear. You can see what is close, what is far, and how much time trains actually take. Always check the last train back at night. Missing it can turn a great day into a stressful one. Next, plan each day with care. Choose only 3 or 4 true priorities. This leaves space for meals, lines, and unexpected moments. Japan rewards slow travel. If your trip is longer, add buffer time and at least 1 rest or laundry day. Your body will thank you, and your memories will be clearer. If you travel as a group, planning becomes emotional as well as practical. Ask everyone to rank their top wishes. This simple step prevents rushing, arguments, and the feeling of seeing everything but enjoying nothing. Step 5. Booking timeline, most important section. Booking is where most Japan trips succeed or fail. For travel in 2026, the safest rule is simple. Book 6 to 8 months ahead if you plan to visit during cherry blossom season or autumn foliage. Waiting longer often means fewer choices, higher prices, and missed experiences. Start with flights. Airfare sets your travel dates and affects every other booking. Next, secure hotels or ryokan, always choosing free cancellation when possible. This gives flexibility if plans shift. After that, focus on high-demand attractions. Places like Ghibli Museum or Park, Shibuya Sky, Team Lab, and major theme parks release tickets on fixed schedules and sell out fast. These are not last-minute decisions. Finally, book special experiences and popular restaurants, such as tea ceremonies, sumo events, or well-known vegan ramen spots. These small moments often become the most memorable part of a Japan trip. The mindset matters as much as the timeline. Set calendar alerts for ticket release dates. Treat booking like preparation, not pressure. When key plans are locked early, the journey feels calmer, lighter, and far more enjoyable. Step 6. Transportation. Shinkansen, JR Pass, and city transit. Transportation in Japan is fast, clean, and reliable, but only if you choose it wisely. For travel between cities, the Shinkansen is the backbone of any Japan itinerary. It saves time and energy, turning long distances into short, smooth rides. The JR Pass, however, is no longer an automatic choice. It is worth it only if you ride long routes many times. Before buying, always calculate the cost using a JR Pass calculator and compare it with individual tickets. A few smart checks can save a lot of money. Inside cities, daily travel is simple once you understand the system. Trains and subways connect almost everything. An IC card such as Suica, Pasmo, Ikoka makes entry and exit quick and stress-free. On iPhone or Apple Watch, the card can live in Apple Wallet. Android support depends on the device, so check before you go. A few tools make travel smoother. Smart EX lets you reserve Shinkansen seats and skip ticket lines. Navitime and Google Maps help you compare routes, timing, and prices with confidence. Step 7. Connectivity and apps. Staying connected in Japan is not a luxury. It is a basic travel tool. For solo travelers or couples, an eSIM is the easiest choice. It activates fast, needs no extra device, and works the moment you land. For families or groups, pocket Wi-Fi makes more sense. One device can connect everyone and keeps costs simple. A few apps turn confusion into confidence. Google Maps is essential for trains, walking routes, and timing. Google Translate, especially the camera feature, helps with menus, signs, and small conversations. An earthquake alert app adds safety and peace of mind. Good connectivity supports every part of a Japan trip, from navigation and bookings to daily meals and unexpected emergencies. When your phone works, your journey flows. Step 8. Money, cards, and 2026 costs. Money planning is a quiet detail that can shape your entire Japan trip. In 2026, Japan still uses cash more often than many travelers expect. Card payments are improving, but small shops, local buses, and traditional places often prefer cash. Do not rely only on contactless payments. Carry enough yen for daily needs. Withdrawing cash is easy and safe. 7-Eleven ATMs accept foreign cards and are found in almost every neighborhood. One smart card tip is to bring a backup MasterCard. Some Japanese websites and booking systems can be picky with Visa, especially for online payments. There are also a few cost changes to watch in 2026. Travelers may see higher fees, new hotel taxes in some cities, and a shift in tax-free shopping rules starting in November. Being aware keeps surprises away. Step 9. Where to stay and must-try Japan-only experiences. Where you stay in Japan shapes how each day begins and ends. In Tokyo, areas like Shinjuku, Shibuya, and Ginza offer the best convenience, with fast transport and endless food options. They are ideal for first-time visitors who want everything close. Asakusa is a quieter choice, more traditional and often more budget-friendly, with temples and old streets that slow the pace. In Kyoto, staying in Gion or Higashiyama brings you closer to the city's historic heart, where early mornings feel calm and timeless. In Osaka, Namba and Shinsaibashi are perfect for food lovers and nightlife, while Umeda offers a cleaner, quieter, and more upscale stay. Beyond hotels, Japan is about experiences you cannot find elsewhere. Spending one night in a ryokan with an onsen teaches you the rhythm of Japanese hospitality. Always check tattoo rules in advance. A tea ceremony, sushi class, or guided walking tour adds cultural depth. Visiting a shrine and drawing an omakuji fortune connects you to local tradition. For something truly unique, watching sumo at a tournament or training stable leaves a lasting impression. Step 10. Packing checklist that saves your trip. Packing well can quietly save your entire Japan trip. Comfortable walking shoes are non-negotiable because you will walk more than you expect every single day. Bring light layers, as weather can change quickly between mornings and evenings. A power bank and a Type A adapter keep your phone ready for maps and tickets. A small coin purse helps with daily cash, and carrying small trash bags matters since public bins are rare. Pack light because small luggage fits trains and hotel rooms better. When moving cities, use luggage delivery services to travel hands-free and stress-free. 3. Ready itinerary templates. The classic first-timer itinerary is built for balance and confidence. Over 10 days, the Golden Route connects Tokyo, Hakone, or Mount Fuji, Kyoto, Nara, and Osaka in a smooth flow. This plan mixes modern cities, natural views, and deep history without rushing. It is ideal for a first Japan trip, offering famous sites while keeping travel days short and energy steady. The cultural immersion itinerary slows everything down. With 10 to 14 days, the focus shifts to tradition, craft, and local rhythm. Kyoto and Nara set the historical base, while Kanazawa and Takayama add preserved streets and regional culture. An onsen area like Shiga or Kusatsu brings rest and nature. This route feels calm, thoughtful, and deeply Japanese. The nature lover's itinerary changes with the season. In summer, Hokkaido offers lavender fields, cool air, and wide landscapes. Coastal areas like Shizuoka or Yaizu bring ocean views and fresh seafood. This plan favors scenic trains, gentle hikes, and day trips. It is perfect for travelers who want space, fresh air, and a quieter Japan. Common mistakes to avoid. Many Japan trips fail for small, avoidable reasons. Overpacking the schedule leaves no buffer time, turning joy into stress when trains, weather, or crowds slow you down. Not booking key attractions early often means missing the places you traveled so far to see. Renting a car without real need adds cost and confusion in cities built for trains. Forgetting onsen etiquette, especially washing before entering, can cause uncomfortable moments. Talking on the phone on trains or wearing a backpack on your back during rush hour breaks local manners. Not carrying cash creates daily friction in shops that do not accept cards. Avoid these mistakes, and your Japan travel experience becomes smoother, calmer, and more respectful. To plan a great Japan trip in 2026, choose your season with care. Book early, travel light, and balance famous sites with slower, quieter moments. If you already have dates or a travel style in mind, leave a comment and I will help you choose the itinerary that fits you best. Subscribe to the channel for a full step-by-step breakdown of Japan travel planning, with clear guides to Tokyo, Kyoto, and Osaka.